सो वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। मौसम बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, बहुत तेज़ बारिश हो रही है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। टुडे वी आर ड्राइविंग दिस Hyundai Creta which is EX variant 2020. Okay, so let's start driving. The car is turned on. This is also turned on. Putting down the parking brake, turning it off. We'll take a U-turn. The steering of this car is super light. It does not feel like we are driving a compact SUV. The rear camera works beautifully. The horn is beautiful. The steering gets a V-cut treatment, kind of flat bottom, which looks beautiful on this car and feels solid. The steering is also very small, which makes it easier to maneuver among traffic in traffic conditions. And the gear shifts are like cream. I think there is whipped cream inside this gearbox. It is so smooth. It has got 6 gears. Actually, it is showing the seat belt warning. It will go in some time. It is a 6-speed transmission. It is a 1500cc 1.5 liter petrol engine which produces 113 horsepower at 6500 rpm, which is amazing. The braking is also very nice. You don't feel unconfident in also this kind of weather, which is raining badly. The clutch is on the lighter side. The clutch is super light. मतलब बिल्कुल फील नहीं होता. We are driving a car of this size. The Creta looks quite bigger from outside from its design language, but it doesn't feel we are driving this much a big car. Crazy. Let's take a U-turn. The car suspension is super soft. I have driven it on highways और बिल्कुल छोटे मोटे गड्ढे पता नहीं लगते. There was a one way we were going. It was a one way highway. And उस पे काफ़ी ख़राब रोड थी वो, लेकिन बिल्कुल पता नहीं लग रहा. Suspension is tuned beautifully. Of course, it affects a little bit of handling. You don't feel so confident on higher speeds while changing lanes, but the ride quality is superb. Like even while driving Grand i10, I praise the ride quality of Hyundai cars, and I'm still praising it because it is amazing, very amazing. It produces a torque of 144 Nm at 4000 rpm and pulls seamlessly. Even in third gear, the RPM were less than 1 and it is pulling very gracefully. The gear shifts are so smooth. मैं पूरा दिन तारीफ कर सकता हूँ इस कार की. But let's come to the minus points of this car, which super soft suspension, which gives you body roll, feeling of body roll, and और क्या, sunroof इस वेरिएंट में नहीं है. It has got a sunglass holder and lights also, which are bright. Sun visors are also nice. And let's talk a little more about the car. It is a 6-speed transmission, so you can cruise easily on 100 with 2 RPM. Like on Grand i10, when I'm cruising on 100, its RPM is on 3. Its RPM is on 3. in top gear in Grand I-10, like it remains calm at 70 to 80. When you push it on 100, it RPM is on 3 and you cannot extract the best mileage out of it. But in this car you can easily cruise on 100. Braking is very nice. In this weather, it is kind of more than expectations. This kind of braking, so smooth and so confident. It gives its ARAI mileage is 17 kilometers per liter, but it extracts around 10-11 in cities, and in normal runs around 12 to 13, and on highways it is 15 to 16. So it is manageable mileage if you are affording a Creta. Car is driving super smooth. It's like a butter. I'm not even feeling this. This road is kind of bad. There are small potholes. बहुत छोटे-छोटे गड्ढे हैं, but they're not feeling. Like even in fourth gear, in a petrol engine, the RPM was less than 1. Let's check. We are now in fourth gear. I will brake. I will slow down the car. The car is at 1 RPM, and still it is pulling very nicely, super nicely. Like I told you in Polo, that is a diesel engine. It is differentiated. The diesel engine revs quite high. Its torque is very high than petrol engine. But this engine is very smooth. I love this car already. मेरे को सॉरी क्रेटा का ब्लॉग आने में टाइम बहुत लग गया. पोलो के बाद 2 वीक्स का गैप आ गया. बिजी था. जो लोग जानते हैं उनको पता है मैं कहाँ गया था. भी बताना ट्रिप. Take a U-turn. The car is super easy to maneuver. Even while taking a U-turn, you don't feel like you are moving a 4.5 meters long car or a sub 4 meter car. बहुत बढ़िया कार है ये. बहुत बढ़िया. I can barely hear the engine noise. I'm not sure the car's engine is turned on or not. It is making so less noise. Super. The NVIS levels are super. The engine refinement all together, you cannot hear any sound from outside. And every time I do something like I switched on wipers, it is showing me that on screen, the information screen also. I turn on the headlights, showing at which level the headlights are on, at which level the wipers are on. It is showing me everything, which is super attention to detail. Let's take a nice pull. Little bit of engine noise at 4000 RPM, where it is maximum torque of 144 Nm. But while driving, it is not a car to pull hard and fast. You can drive it smoothly and बिल्कुल थकान नहीं आएगी. लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे जाओ, कहीं पे भी जाओ. It is so smooth, so easy to drive car. Hyundai cars are so easy to drive. Like while driving Polo, I was a little bit struggling because there is a kind of tuning of clutch in Polo कि उसके क्लच को छोड़ने का एक अलग तरीका होता है. अगर आपने पोलो ड्राइव करी आपको पता होगा तो. But it is super easy. The clutch is super light. Okay, so I turned on the wipers and it is showing me that they are not on end, they are on medium speed, and if I turn on high, it will show me they are on high speed. So super attention to detail. And let's talk about visibility. The visibility of car is very nice. The road presence is super cool. You can see a wide view of it. The A pillar is also very smartly placed, which reduces the blind spot with quite an extent. वो थोड़ा सा blind spot ही रह जाता है क्योंकि A pillar है तो blind spot तो हर कार में होता है यहाँ पे. But it is quite smartly placed. Everything is in reach. there is a kind of sound while we turn on indicators, which is not disturbing, which is very kind of droplets sound. And steering is superb. The wipers clear the screen very nicely. In this weather, it is making me easy to drive. Okay, so there is a bad road. वहाँ पे बहुत खराब गड्ढा था, लेकिन बिल्कुल अंदर पता नहीं चला. The tires and the suspension absorb everything. The shifts are so nice. I was in 4th gear and the speed of 30, and it pulled seamlessly on a red light on a green signal, so that I don't miss the green signal. Okay, so it does not get automatic wipers and headlights, but in upper variants it gets automatic headlights, and I don't think automatic wipers are there. Automatic wipers are there in Kia Seltos. We will drive Seltos soon and compare both of them. Well, there are a lot of videos on Kia Seltos and Creta's comparison, and you have seen a lot, but I will give you my review when I will drive a Seltos. It is also a nice car. I have good things about it and bad things about it too. The upper variant of Creta gets a panoramic roof. This doesn't get it, but if we compare it to Seltos, the Seltos doesn't get a panoramic roof. It gets a regular sunroof. I'm not changing gears at all, and car pulls in any gear seamlessly. The engine is super refined. The 1.5 liter petrol engine is a gem, like super. इतना refined engine है, बिल्कुल पता नहीं लगता, इतना easy हो जाता है. Let's get into Apple. Okay, the Apple phone is removed from the car. The system is also very slick to use. There are few shortcut keys, which is for setup, track, media, radio. This is for volume control. Let's assign the star button is assigned for currently AM. Let's assign for display on off. Okay. Okay. The green signal is there. Okay. So if we put the star button, the display is off. We again press the star button, the display is on. The star button is quite convenient, as you can set it up to your requirements and convenience, which things are you want regularly, और ज़्यादातर आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें यूज़ करनी पड़ती हैं. You can assign to star button. It is quite a nice touch in this car. The minus point is they are all hard plastic, even with the beautiful interior with green and black touch. The all plastics are hard, super hard. See. But the good point is, at the same time, the good point is the quality of plastic is good. So you don't feel it's a light car or cheap car feel नहीं होती, as it is also pricier. This car, particular variant EX, is priced at 12.76 lakhs on road Delhi, and there are total 19 variants on offer, which the range starts from 11.45 lakhs to and goes to 20.86 lakhs. The top variant, like with all the most top variant with sunroof, diesel, automatic DCT gearbox, dual clutch transmission, with all that, it is priced at 20.86 lakhs, which is quite pricier. Well, this range, the car segment is growing very fastly, as there are a lot of cars in this segment, Seltos or MG Hector or even Creta, Nexon. And if you go in above 20 lakhs category, there are Harrier, Jeep Compass, and above 30 lakhs category there is also Citroen C5 Aircross, which is not popular as such in India now, as it is launched, but I haven't seen it on road single times. Let's see when it comes how it reacts to Indian market. Well, currently this much for this vlog. Creta is a super amazing car which offers decent mileage according to its size and super easy to drive. I'm driving it second time and I'm not feeling like, because as I drive Hyundai Grand i10, it is almost same to drive, just a little bit of change is there. As the size is bigger, well, it doesn't feel bigger, but it is bigger, so you have to be careful while parking it or moving it around. This was for today's vlog. The Creta is an amazing car, and if you compare it, everyone has its own views. So don't forget to like the video, share the video, and do comment the video. Comment on it how you like it, or you prefer a Seltos over a Creta or MG over a Creta. But currently I am driving Creta, so I will only think about Creta because Creta is amazing. It is the most popular brand name currently in India. It is the most selling car of Hyundai. So there is something like the smoothness of the car, the easiness of driving, the maneuverability. Everything is amazing, and it glides through bad roads. The clutch is so light, doesn't feel like I'm driving. So don't forget to like the video, share the video, and do comment your views on Creta or how you liked the video. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.